Howdy folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're rustling up a big old pot of cowboy stew that'll have you hootin' and hollering for more. But before we dive into this rootin' tootin' recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and wrangle that subscribe button for more tasty adventures in the kitchen. Alright, let's round up these ingredients like a posse of hungry cowboys. You'll need 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 packages of kielbasa sausage sliced into half-inch pieces, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 onion chopped, 2 cans of peeled and diced tomatoes drained, 4 medium baking potatoes peeled and diced, 2 cans of pinto beans with liquid, 1 can of whole kernel corn drained, 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chili pepper with liquid, 1 package of frozen mixed vegetables, 4 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, salt and pepper to taste. Now let's mosey on over to the oven. In a pan over medium heat, start by sauteing that chopped onion. When it's all sizzling and golden, toss in that ground beef and cook it up until there ain't no pink left in sight. Once that beef's ready to ride, add in them sliced kielbasa sausages. These little guys are going to add some smoky flavor to our stew that'll make your taste buds do a Texas two-step. Now, we're going to wrangle up them diced tomatoes, pinto beans, with their liquid, whole kernel corn, diced tomatoes with chilies, and them veggies. It's like a Wild West showdown of flavors in that pot. Give it all a good stir like you're mixing up a card game in the saloon. And don't forget them spices, partner. Add in that ground cumin, chili powder, and season with salt and pepper to your liking. Time to let this stew simmer and mull over its life choices for about an hour. The aroma drifting through your kitchen is going to be tempting as a gold rush. After an hour of simmering, you'll have yourself a pot of cowboy stew that'll satisfy even the hungriest of cowpokes. Serve it up with a side of cornbread, and you've got yourself a meal fit for a ranch boss. That's it for today's rootin' tootin' recipe, folks. If you enjoyed this cowboy adventure in the kitchen, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and make sure to lasso that subscribe button for more delicious journeys. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your taste buds roam free like a lone ranger on the prairie.